Welcome back to the Moss Point School District online registration tutorial. In our previous tutorial, we covered the steps to logging into the ActiveParent portal. In this tutorial, we will cover the steps to online registration. After you've redeemed your Active code, you may choose your student from the drop-down menu. Choose your registration type, 2019-2020 school year, and begin registration. Step 1, Demographics. For returning students, this data will be pre-populated from our student information system. None of this data is editable. If you feel like something is incorrect, you will have the opportunity to notify your school at on-site registration. Step 2, Residency Information. This screen lists the student address, student phone number, and student email addresses. This information should be based on the parent or guardian's information. If any of the information is incorrect, you can click Delete to the right of the information or Add New above the information. Please notice at the bottom of the screen you have a next step and previous step to go forwards or backwards. Step 3, Birth and Early Childhood. This information also is not editable. Again, if you feel if anything is incorrect, you will have the opportunity to notify your child's school at on-site registration. Step 4, Immunization and Medical. You will find previous medical conditions that you have entered for your student listed underneath medical conditions. If they no longer apply to your student, please click Delete. If you need to add a new condition, that link is right below the words medical conditions. Step 5, Permissions. Please click on the bubble Yes or No to answer each of the questions. Student info can be published online, such as places like our website. Student info can be published in the newspaper. Student is allowed internet use at school. This will be used for educational use. Student is allowed to appear in the yearbook. Allow personal identifiable information release to Armed Forces recruiters and IHL, Institute of Higher Learning. Step 6, Parent and Guardian. On this screen, you can edit or delete any information related to the parent or any other contact you have previously listed for your student. Step 7, Miscellaneous. On this screen, you can download any information the district has provided, such as the handbook, dress code, and the school year calendar. Step 8, Surveys. Here you will find the Home Language Survey and the Migrant Survey. At the bottom of the Migrant Survey, it will ask you to list all of the children living in the household. This information only pertains to the Migrant Survey and not to the entire online registration. Step 9, Finish. You're almost complete. After you complete this screen, you still must visit the on-site registration at Magnolia Middle School on July 16th, 17th, and 18th. Please bring with you 2 proofs of residency, and if you're registering a 7th grader, you need a copy of Form 121, the Tdap Booster Shot Immunization Form. Click on I confirm that the information is correct. Type in the parent or guardian's name and save and finish. That's it. You're all done. We look forward to seeing you at Magnolia Middle School July 16th, 17th, and 18th.